What's up guys, Lexicon here, back and again with another video. So short lang to guys, so probably I will be doing shorts every day like this one. So for this first video, I would like you to follow my social medias links in the description guys. So we will be doing this one. Siguro challenge natin to guys sa ating self guys. So probably mga 30 days, 1 month. Starting this coming July, we will have certain topics to discuss within 30 days. Tignan natin kung kaya ko ba yung 30-day challenge na puro shorts yung i-upload natin dito sa ating Sockmeds social media guys, no? So tignan natin tong challenge na to kung kaya ko ba within 30 days mag-upload ng shorts within 30 days. Hindi naman siguro kailangan masigarbong edits or whatever, basta may ma-upload tayong shorts within 30 days straight everyday, walang putol. So yun yung task natin for 30 days. Sana makaya ko guys. Yung challenge accepted. And ayun nga, ito ang simula ng ating day 1 for 30-day short or reels video challenge. Let's go!